Hello world, Jennifer here. You're looking at an old flatbed trailer that a friend abandoned with me a couple of years ago. I've drug it out of the woods and contacted the friend. We've made a deal on it. The trailer is made out of 4 and 5-inch C-channel, the perfect thing to turn into a 50-ton press and finish my pan brake that I started many years ago. To finish the Hyundai project, I went out in search of any type of hydraulic press and could not find anyone. I could not find a hydraulic press within 300 miles of where I lived. I just find that to be a sad state of affairs, to where I can't find a hydraulic press anywhere near. And since I do have some larger cities around, it is even more disappointing that there's just nothing available out there. Yeah, there's probably some reasons out there that I won't mention, and I think we all know what they are. So the idea is my favorite store there. I can get the hydraulics of a 50-ton press for about $300, and they want $1,000 for a complete 50-ton press. So with a $300 worth of hydraulics and $100 worth of trailer, I feel I can sell the axles and the tongue and tongue jack, or the hitch and the tongue jack, and probably make back my $100 out of the axles and things that I really don't want. I have my own flatbed to take care of things. It's a 14,000 pound flatbed, so I don't need another one with very old axles that are probably only good for 2,500 or 3,000 pounds each. So this trailer, yes, is old enough where it's just not going to be used. It was originally a some sort of mobile home or trailer or something. It wasn't a flatbed for transporting cars or anything. It truly was, most likely had some sort of trailer or camper shell on top of it. And hence we're going to cut it down into its basic C-channel and get that reworked into the 50-ton hydraulic press. We'll get you through the process here. I've been doing some engineering, showing engineering, trying to film engineering, especially out of my brain, is extremely difficult because I just kind of have some very basic drawings of things, and there's really no direction, since this is purely going to be entirely homemade out of the crazy mind of Jennifer. So I hope you enjoy. We'll see how many videos this takes to get through this, and in the end, enjoy the series, like, subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll get this project on the move. I got one side cut off. Got the other side to do. So it's a start. Getting the one side cut off, and we'll just keep cutting it up. This is looking like a torch job, due to the fact that there's so many gusset welds. Whoever welded this trailer together, they were gusset crazy, and a bunch of other just weld crazy. It looks almost a lot like it was stick weld to put it together. So we'll keep cutting, keep grinding, and it'll come apart. Alright, there's the first upright. It's 6 foot. Was the back of the trailer. I've cleaned it all up mostly. It's still got a bit of a mess on it. Gonna figure out how to get it cleaned up with either the grinding
milling machine, all sorts of stuff to clean it up. There's a big mess down there, but I might just leave at the bottom to take care of my upright for my hydraulic press. And we got all sorts of offcuts and things like that. And thank you, Hyundai, for the 2 CV shafts. But yeah, at the beginning of a foot there. And over here we have the beginning of my pan brake, the piece of very, very thick, this piece of C-channel. This is a piece of just straight angle iron, and the C-channel is almost 48 inches. I want to add some stuff to the ends of it, take off those funky pieces. This is a design from many years ago. I had to do a pan brake, but yeah, the piece of angle iron there will go on top and work as the top of the pan brake to hold as the piece that holds either the fingers that I'm either make or buy. I haven't decided yet. I gotta sit down with my CAD and figure out all the hinges on the side to hold that, and there'll be another piece of angle iron out front here that will pivot on here. So either I have a longer piece of this that's gonna sit out, sit out front here, and have the ear hinge out here where it flips up to bend your metal. Alright, that's the quick update on those 2 projects. And oh yes, last thing, I was wrong. It was not stick welded together. This, let's see where it is, down here. We have leftover wire from a MIG machine. So this whole thing was crazy MIG together. I don't know how many spools of wire they went through. All right. Catch you on the next one.